Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 2nd of July 2021 and Friday. Sorry guys, I missed yesterday analysis review. We had a training workshop in office, so I finished very late, so I was exhausted. But we managed beautiful pips yesterday and today. We were expecting some nice big moves today because of the NFP news, but we haven't seen that sort of volatility, but we managed beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank beautiful pips through live intraday analysis in the real time and the best trade of the day. All right, so let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig in straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD 4 hour, we were short yesterday. We were expecting price might going to break this level, but as you can see here, price nicely respected, and we had a short trade here once the price developed bearish inside candle pattern. So we will break out short trade until the New York session, bank beautiful pips, and right now we are looking if the price is going to break, then probably going to be long here. If you look at the previous candle, you can see here bullish engulfing candle, and the outside bar candle, you can say it. So let me share with you the analysis, yesterday analysis and the today's analysis. As you can see here, after once the price reverse, we're expecting this level, so we expect to traders look for this breakout. As you can see here, the momentum was developed bearish, so we were expecting more likely be short. Some of the traders were short here at this level, but I missed that analysis. But I later on explained to trader, if you can have a scaling trade, you can take that short trade here as soon as the price hits to the first level, which is the fib channel. And also if you look at here support level, that's what we explained to traders, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful pip short trade yesterday, and this morning, London morning, as you can see, this was the previous low, yesterday low, and that's what we're expecting a breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken this yesterday low. As you can see here, beautiful, this is the low broken, beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the target. This is basically this in trade based on the last night analysis, and this was it this morning. So technically I update that analysis just to give push to my traders that to look at trade towards the momentum and towards the trade to bank some beautiful pips. All right, so some of the traders, if they missed this one yesterday, they can join this one. So beautiful short trade on EURUSD. So let's see tomorrow, not tomorrow basically, next, let's see on Monday how the market is going to react. But that's what I can see here right now. As you can see here, price nicely broke on this 18455. Let's see if next week if the price gonna break. Overall, we have seen the dollar index was very short, so let's see on next week. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade, especially good trade we had it on dollar CAD. All right, so pound dollar, if you look at the 4 hour, and we were short from this week, as you can see here, priced nicely, and we were short today, and we were long at the New York session after the news release after this candle, you can see here. Let me share with you the analysis. If you look at the analysis from, let me share with you the yesterday analysis, so just to give you a feedback. Okay, so yesterday we were short this is the level. As soon as the price came back here in 4 hour, that's the breakout. We had it here. That's what we explained to trader. When the price is at the 200 EMA, and if the price, let me make it slightly bigger so at least you can see here what I'm talking about. So all right, that's much better. Okay, so that's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break this 200 EMA or that's resistance, then we're going to be taking a long. That's going to give us the price counter long trade. Otherwise, if the price is going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. That's going to give us the confirmation of continuity short based on the 4 hour. So what happened here when the price developed, if you look at here, sort of like a head and shoulder pattern. And as always, if the price break the previous low, and that's what we explained, exactly the same level, and that's what we explained to trader, take a short trade here. And afterwards, as explained to trader, the momentum is developed bearish, so just keep taking a pullback short trade here. And afterwards, we can see a beautiful pullback short trade here. that we had it yesterday. Today we had it another breakout, as what we explained to my trader in more details, that if the price is going to hit this level, just keep taking this level, which is, you can see a price nicely respected, just keep taking a pullback. Otherwise you can also take a breakout if you haven't taken it, because the momentum was very bearish. As you can see here, we had a breakout and we hold that trade here, as you can see here, at this level, and we had another beautiful pullback short trade, which is technically another breakout short trade here, as which technically price about to hit this support level, and that's what we explained to traders. It's time to bank some profit. So this was the short trade this morning. So let me share with you the in this afternoon. Basically, after the news reaction, we haven't seen any big moves, but price developed consolidation. But if you look at the bottom, the momentum was developed bullish. And as always, whenever the price break the recent high and low, we are looking for pullback. And as I explained to you, my trader about ST, guys, look my, after the breakout pullback. So you can see here, price nicely broke on after the breakout. We had this beautiful pullback that gave us the confirmation. And most of the traders still holding long trade. And I explained to traders this time, when the price hit this resistance level, and if you look at here, price is already sort of developing it up channel, and that's what we explained to traders. It's time to consider tightening your stop loss. So most of the traders were profit around 20-30 pips, so still banking good pips. So this was the trade at the New York session after the NFP news, right? Okay, so the best trade we had that was the USDCAD. That was amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we were expecting yesterday the price might gonna break this level, but we can see here price develop another bullish engulfing candle. We had one small pullback long yesterday, and this was the major 124,400 level. That's what we explained in trader to look for possibility of reversal at this level, which we had it this morning. So since this morning we were short on this trader, and we keep enjoying pullback short trade here again based on the major 4-hour price action. As you can see here, price develop a double top here, and the safest trade would be the breakout of this level, which price broke on, and we will keep enjoying pullback short trade here. This was the major price action. And if I show you here, you can see here such a nice beautiful good trade, guys. If you look at this morning, that's what we explained. So this was the trade yesterday. You can see here pullback long, beautiful pips. And this morning, if I show you, I'm going to give you a bit more details. That's what we explained to trader in more detail. So the price was at this level in 4-hour, and we were explaining trader, if the price is going to break this previous high, then probably it's going to shoot up. But if the price is going to respect, then probably going to be taking a short trade. But what is the confirmation for us in order to take a short trade here? That's what we explained to trader. If you look at here, that's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break this previous low, after the breakout price retest, then we're going to take a short trade here. You can see here nicely, as mentioned on the analysis and through live audio commentary. It's not just producing analysis, we also communicate through live intraday analysis, and that's what we keep telling here trader, guys, look, price developed a double top here, failed to break the previous high, and price broke on the previous low. After the breakout price retest, that's give us the confirmation. Look at in 4-hour, beautiful rejection, and price mostly develop a double top even in 4 hours. So that's what we short trade here, and afterwards keep chilling, my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks as long as the momentum is bearish. We can see here we have the one breakout, second, third, and fourth, beautiful pullback short trade here on USDCAD. And after the news, NFP news, we were also short at that time. As you can see here, this is the news reaction. After that, the price developed consolidation. That's what we explained to trader. Look for this breakout, because if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. As you can see, breakout, and I said to say, my trader, as long as the price stay below this level, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. As you can see here, one pullback, another pullback, another pullback, another pullback. So we had a beautiful trades on USDCAD. Again, guys, that's again, as I said to you guys, we analyze in 4-hour. That's what we have explained to trader. In 4-hour, we can see here price could not maintain this level. This was a false breakout. That's another confirmation for basically to look for the short trade here. As you can see here, we had such a nice, beautiful short trade on USDCAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Let me share one more analysis with you guys. That was the dollar Swiss franc. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. In 4 hour, price develop another double top here, and that's what we look another short trade here. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout, as always, so this was the analysis yesterday. Pulled back long, you can see here, what a beautiful pullback long. And this morning, as you can see here, I explained to trader, price refused to break the previous high and develop a double top here. Look for this breakout, and the safest way to break out this one. And if the price gonna break, look at the 4 hour. We have a major resistance. If the price gonna break, until the price gonna hit 92.85 level, this is the support level. So we should be keep taking a pullback short trade here. So you can see here, price nicely broken this previous low, as explained into intraday in analysis. Breakout, pullback, pullback. So we just keep telling our trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see, the major structures look like it's broken. As you can see, price could not maintain this level. So we had a beautiful short trade on dollar Swiss franc. The amazing trade we had it in dollar CAD. We had a few PPs on pound dollar and the euro USD. All right, guys, I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis, and as the most important thing, I'm keep telling you guys that you should be watching all that analysis in the real time and banking pips in real time, and most importantly, developing your trading skill in real time. And that's my main objective, to help traders through live intraday analysis, so they can bank beautiful pips, or as well as they can develop their trading skills effectively in real time. And once I see that they have developed very good skills and producing promising results, then I can also open door for get funding from the prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders through this platform in real time and help them to get funded through prop firms, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So feel free guys if you are interested, and even if you are experienced trader guys, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading based on the 4 hour price action and intraday system. And I'm pretty sure you will enjoy banking pips alongside with my professional traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend guys. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.